హాయ్ అండి, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ అథ్లెట్ వందు. ఈవేళ వీడియోలో మీకు డైలీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ షేర్ చేస్తాను స్పోర్ట్స్కి సంబంధించి. సో వీడియోని అయితే స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి, హూ వన్ ద 87 kg గ్రీకో రోమన్ టైటిల్ ఎట్ ద నేషనల్ రెస్లింగ్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్స్ 2024. ఆప్షన్స్: ఆప్షన్ ఏ యోగేశ్వర్ దత్, ఆప్షన్ బి సునీల్ కుమార్, ఆప్షన్ సి రవి దాహియా, ఆప్షన్ డి సౌరవ్ గుర్జర్. And the correct answer is B. Sunil Kumar. Sunil Kumar won the 87 kg Greco-Roman title at the 2024 National Wrestling Championships, which took place in Jaipur, Rajasthan on February 4, 2024. Kumar, an Asian Games bronze medalist, beat Manoj Kumar 9-1 to win the title. Who is the new brand ambassador of Fit India movement? Options: A. Neeraj Chopra, B. Narendra Kumar Yadav, C. Jogendra Sharma, D. Sunil Kumar. The correct answer is B. Narendra Kumar Yadav. The Government of India appointed IRS officer Narendra Kumar Yadav as the new brand ambassador of the Fit India movement. Yadav is the additional director of GST and the first civil servant to be appointed as a brand ambassador for the movement. Dattagiro Krishnarao Gaikwad, who passed away recently, was associated with which sport? Options: option A football, option B hockey, option C boxing, and option D cricket. And the correct answer is option D cricket. Former Indian cricket captain Dattagiro Krishnarao Gaikwad, aged 95, passed away, making him the oldest living Indian cricketer before his demise. Gaikwad led the Baroda cricket team to victory in the Ranji Trophy during the 1957-58, leaving a significant mark on the sport. Faiz Fazal, who recently seen in the news, is associated with which sports? Options: option A wrestling, option B badminton, option C football, and option D cricket. And the correct answer is option D cricket. Esteemed Vidarbha cricketer Faiz Fazal, aged 38, has announced his retirement from all forms of the game, marking the end of a remarkable career. Fazal leaves behind a significant legacy with immense contributions to Vidarbha cricket, celebrated for generations. The Vidarbha cricket team representing Eastern Maharashtra participate in India's domestic tournaments including the Ranji Trophy, Vijay Hazare Trophy, and Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. Recently, Indian hammer thrower Rachana Kumari has been banned for how many years of doping? Options: option A 12 years, and option B 13 years, option C 14, and option D 15. And the correct option is A 12 years. The Athletics Integrity Unit AAU and National Anti-Doping Agency NADA have issued substantial suspensions to two athletes. Rachna Kumari, a hammer thrower, received a 12-year suspension for her second anti-doping violation, underscoring the gravity of doping offences. Quarter Miller Nirmala Shiron, with a history of violations, face an 8-year suspension from NADA for her second offence, emphasizing the strict consequences for those breaching anti-doping rules in athletics. Recently, who became the second Indian bowler to take 500 wickets in test matches? Options: option A Ravindra Jadeja, option B Jasprit Bumrah, option C Ravichandran Ashwin, and option D MD Siraj. And the correct answer is C Ravichandran Ashwin. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi praised spinner Ravichandran Ashwin for reaching 500 test wickets, making him the second Indian bowler to achieve this after Anil Kumble. Ashwin joins an exclusive group of off spinners with only Mutia Muralidharan and Nathan Lyon surpassing 500 wickets. Notably, Ashwin is the third off spinner in history to achieve this milestone. Despite this feat, he trails Kumble's total wickets, who retired with 619 scalps. The historic moment occurred on the second day of the ongoing test against England, dismissing Jack Crowley. B. Sai Praneeth, who recently announced his retirement, is associated with which sports? Options: Option A cricket, B hockey, C football, D badminton. And the correct answer is D. Badminton. In March 2024, Praneeth announced his retirement from international badminton on social media. The 31-year-old from Hyderabad, Telangana, cited injuries since the 2020 Tokyo Olympics as the reason for his retirement. He plans to become a coach in the US, and 2019, Praneeth won a bronze medal at the World Championships, becoming the first Indian to do so since 1983. He also won the Singapore Open and competed in the Tokyo Olympics. Where was the fifth Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited (ONGC) Para Games inaugurated by Minister Hardeep S. Puri? Options: Option A New Delhi, B Bangalore, C Chennai, D Hyderabad. And the correct answer is A. New Delhi. Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri inaugurated the 5th ONGC Para Games at New Delhi's Tyagaraja Stadium. Mr. Puri commended the participating athletics, highlighting their grit and determination in overcoming challenges, contributing to a more human society. He praised India's success in the Tokyo Paralympics 2020 with 19 medals and impressive 111 medals at the Asian Para Games 2023 in Hangzhou, China. The minister applauded oil and gas public sector undertakings for promoting societal upliftment through sports initiatives, urging increased efforts. Recently, which team won the 42nd Ranji Trophy title? Options: Option A Mumbai, Option B Vidarbha, Option C Tamil Nadu, and Option D Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is A Mumbai. Mumbai won the 42nd Ranji Trophy title in 2024, defeating Vidarbha by 169 runs on the fifth and final day of the final at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. The Mumbai team's performance was marked by Dhaval Kulkarni's exceptional performance, supported by key players like Ajinkya Rahane, Tanush Kotian, and Mushir Khan. On World Kabaddi Day 2024, which country created history by creating a Guinness World Record with the participation of 128 players? Options are Option A India, Option B Japan, and Option C Malaysia, and Option D Bangladesh. And the correct answer is A India. India achieved a Guinness World Record on World Kabaddi Day March 24 with 128 players participating at Todejlal Stadium, Panchkula. An MOU between APPSC and Haryana government facilitated the event, aiming to promote Kabaddi globally. Guinness set a benchmark of 84 players, but organizers aimed for 150. The historic feat highlights India's commitment to Kabaddi's growth and global recognition. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో నచ్చితే తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ని తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.